Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create a Google or a Gmail account in 2026. If you are trying to create a new Gmail account, so let's see how can you do that. You can use your Gmail app or you can also use any of your browser. So let's say I'm going to select my Gmail app here. Now in your Gmail app, you just have to try to add an account. You just have to select Google from here and then tap on this continue option. Now on this page, you have to try to tap on this create account option. And here just select for my personal use or for my work or business. I'm going to select for my personal use here. Now you have to enter your name. Here once you have entered your name, you just have to tap on this next option. Here you have to enter your date of birth. So let's say I'm going to enter any random date of birth from here. So once I've entered, just select gender also. Then tap on next option here. Now on this page, you have to select or create a new email address. You can select any of both, or you can also try to create your own Gmail address. Let's say I'm going to create my own. So here you must have to enter your name or your email address here. Once I've entered, you have to check that it's available. So just tap on this next option here. And here you have to try to create a new and a strong password. And once you have entered a new password, just tap on this next option here. And here you just have to add your phone number if you want to, or you can also skip this. Then tap on next option. Here your email address and your name you have just created. Just tap on next option. Just scroll down and tap on I agree. So your email account has just created. You have successfully created a new Gmail address. So in this way, you can easily create a new Gmail account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.